Hi, welcome to the Espresso, your daily shot of Chinese words with 卡分享。大家好，欢迎来到我的频道 The Espresso。在这个频道呢，我们看字和词之间的关系。If you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel we look at the relationship between Chinese characters and words, and please do subscribe so you do not miss out the new content. 好的，那今天呢？This is actually a pre-recorded video because I was traveling, or maybe when you were watching this video, I am traveling. So I had to prepare this video in advance to make sure that you do not miss out the weekly content. And because of time limitations, so I've decided to look back at some of the old videos that we have already studied, and we will move on to new body part. But this particular Chinese character and this particular Chinese body part, we actually have already studied about it a year ago. 那是什么呢？这个就是心。So this is the Chinese character 心 heart. Now, I think some of you might be new to this channel, so it's a perfect time to, in any case, either recap what we've learned a year ago, test if you still remember, and or to introduce the videos again to those of you who are new to the channel and you haven't watched it before. So here's the little task for you. In the past, a year ago, I will put the links of the video in the description. 我们一共有5个小视频. So in total, we have 5 different videos introducing the most common Chinese words, idioms, and also 歇后语. That is another part of Chinese idiom. Instead of 4-character idiom, we actually look at 2 different parts, 2-part saying proverbs in Chinese. So there are in total 5 different videos that we have studied and covering a list of really common useful vocabulary and 1 video about 成语, so 4-character Chinese idiom, and another video about 歇后语. So this is your homework now. In this coming week, I would like you to watch all these videos, if you can, or at least start with the common used vocabulary ones. And once I'm back, I will design some activities and let's have a look together and see how much you actually have studied and how much you have remembered and to what extent you know how to use those vocabulary effectively. So that is the challenge during my time off, and I wish everyone also had a good Easter break, and I do looking forward to my usual filming routine on Sunday for Monday, and hopefully during this period of time you still get to learn something. 好的，那今天就到这里，我们下一次再见。拜拜。